Welcome to Accelotrade Academy, your thrilling, fast-paced, chess-like trading resource for learning trading using Accelotrade app that lets you compress months and weeks into minutes and seconds so you can learn and hone your trading skills with a vast array of stocks in the trading universe without even burning cash from your own pocket. This is Jerome Noel, your host. Not your Budweiser, but your wiser bud. Before everything else, let it be known, before beginning our lesson, training, game, chat, chart, messages, or strategies, that this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Stock trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for every individual. I'm not a financial advisor, but just a plain host and entertainer. I'm not asking you to take position of any shares or a given stock mentioned in this tutorial. All techniques, games, or strategies are based on the experience of the narrator and as such not intended as an advice to buy or sell any given example of stock being illustrated. Yet, you're welcome to watch, be entertained, gain wisdom from our experience, have fun with games so in your own decision making you can gain advantage in handling your own stock affair without relying on agents or any mutual fund reps. In other words, have freedom to handle your own money to make money for you. Let your money work for you, but if you want to make it right, you have to do it yourself. I'm creating a game. I'd like you to experiment this one using what I taught you on the new 78 days high. Okay? So, if you click play, then join the game.
It shows new 78-day high sim.
Yes, sim 01.
Join that one.
Yeah, join that one. So I invited both of you. We will invite also some artificial intelligence.
Okay. Pinches, Skybus. Who is it?
These are all bots,
Airhammer.
trading bots.
Flapper. Okay. Wow, a lot of people. Bots. AI. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so 10 complete.
We close that.
So are you in? Did you see are you on the play mode?
Yes.
Okay. The first thing we need to do is go to your account. So on the left hand side, maybe I should share. I should share mine. Sorry.
So I see the account, yeah.
So
Cash 100,000.
can you see mine? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Go to account, and then go to transfer. So your investment has $100,000.
Yeah.
And then we will transfer that one to the margin account. So just type 100,000 and then you click transfer. So it should happen the next day. Submit.
Okay.
Sorry, the game is full. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to click start game. Okay, if you scroll up, what do you see on the graph? It's a perfect breakout. There was this one, the high of 234. There was again another high of what? 232. So it was a failure breakout, and there was a high of 238. So those are all failure breakouts, and even a high here, a high of 240. So the 240 breakout here with a large volume, and then there is a slider. If you could move the slider the way I'm doing it in the middle, you see how it had, that huge candle had broken the previous highs, right? There is the slider up. If you move the slider, the middle.
Oh, right at the bottom. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so Jiro, I think where I stopped was moving the account. On the account, I didn't see that button.
Oh, okay. Did you click submit?
I click on, I think I'm on this on the screen that says play.
Okay. Because we haven't advanced yet, so you click advanced time.
Okay, advanced time, okay.
And then everybody click advanced time.
Okay.
Your money should be transferred to your margin. Your margin cash should turn into 100.
Yeah, I see that investment cash is 100,000, but
Yeah.
I don't see it being. Do you want me to click on where do we click to transfer it to our account? Or it's already there?
If you click, you see here, are you on the account? There is the summary, and then there is a transfer. You click the transfer tab.
Oh, okay, account.
On the transfer tab, you type 100,000 on the amount,
okay.
And then you just click transfer.
On the transfer, it's already there. 100. Okay, amount 100,000. Okay.
Okay.
100, 1, 2, 3. 100,000. Okay. Click on transfer to margin. Margin is 0 now. Submit.
Okay, then go back to play.
Okay.
Oh, an AI is already making money.
Yes.
You can click that AI. It will tell you if the close price closes above the high price, then buy. If the close price is greater than the open price and it is the first day of the any month, then sell. So it's using that strategy and it's making money. Okay, now we would like to make our money too. So this is what we're gonna do. All right, what did I tell you? New 78 days high. Find where is the VCP low and find the previous high. What is the previous high? Previous high is around 240, right?
Yes.
What time? What time? What date?
No, the previous high is basically where the breakout had gone out from, right?
Yes.
Which is the 240. What the 240 was actually the previous highs of almost every tops that you can see here on your left.
Yes.
Okay, so it means your previous high is 240. Okay, so we'll put that one previous high.
So where do you click to get the ticker?
Sorry?
Where do you click to have this ticker?
No, it's there automatically.
Oh, I didn't see.
Should be.
Oh, you mean the slider?
No, the ticker.
Oh, the ticker.
Yeah.
No, the ticker is right there. It's already there. We're playing BLFS.
Oh, it's true. Okay, I've seen it now. I scrolled down.
BLFS. Now find out what is our VCP low. Our VCP low is where the previous support.
Okay, previous support.
$2.
Which is around $2, right? That is where the congregation of the lower lows in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now calculate 240 minus 2, that's 40 cents, right?
Yeah.
40 cents times 3.
$1.20.
120.
Yeah.
120. What was the previous, or what was the close of the breakout candle? 260.
262.
120 plus 260.
380.
Around 380. So what you're gonna do, where do we enter? Okay, I want you to move the slider. Okay, first, okay. Actually, no. If you project our previous low is 150, so it means 250. 250 minus 150 is what? $1.
$1.
1 times 3 is $3.
Yeah.
So if our breakout is on what, 260, so 260 plus
$3.
260 plus 3 is
560.
560. So it means your target is 560.
Yeah.
Where do you enter? Okay, you see, it had made that high, and then it had made the first red. That first red created a tail. Usually, I'm going to enter at the bottom of the tail or the midsection of the tail. So the midsection of the tail is around 283. If you hover the mouse there on the midsection of that black handle, which is a hammer, the tail is around 284, 285. So what I'm going to do is go to my broker. I put 285. If, for example, the market is 284, I can use that one because it's pretty close. So I can use that one. So I'll use the market order. I have 100,000. So let's say I'll order 10,000 shares.
Sorry, Jerome, how do I place the order?
Oh, okay, you click the broker doc. Oh, by the way, instead of investment, you change the account into margin. Can you see?
Okay, so now I'm in the broker.
Okay.
And I'm going to buy 10,000.
10,000 shares.
For
285 or whatever market. If you click market, it will tell you what's the market price right now.
Market.
But usually I do not order. 285. So I'll put 285.
Okay.
Market is 289 now. So I'm not going to buy at that price. I want to buy exactly at the 285 because it will congregate on that one. It will always hit. Sometimes it will always hit the bottom of that tail of that hammer. So 285. I will hit submit.
So my date is August 6th, not August 5th. You have August 5th.
Where are you looking at?
It is the same August 5th,
Or
2017.
is it just the cancel date? It's just it's just a cancel date, doc, because you are creating your own order. I'm creating my own order.
Okay, so submit.
Submit. That order will go through the next day.
Okay, so I submit. Okay, order has been placed, process the next day. All right.
Then you hit advance and then click play.
Hit advance. Where's the advance? Where's advance?
At the right-hand side.
Right.
Right here, doc. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's left.
Inside the play mode.
Okay. Advance.
Yeah.
And then play. Play. Okay.
Cooper, you're making $546 now.
Wow, I
That's
made
what I see.
$500. 546 you made.
Oh, because I guess you're late one day, doc. When you enter, it had moved already.
Yeah.
So, okay. Let's see. What was our target?
$8. No. Can't remember. 3 into 5. $5.
Okay, let's go back so that you will be okay. So around 150, 150 is the bottom of your, and then you have 250, so around $1 difference, right? So
550.
so yeah, around 560 or yeah, or around 550. So that is your target.
Hmm.
Okay, it will just what you can do now because you had okay because you had already your order, right? Do you have
Yeah.
yours? You haven't gone yet. So it means, okay, now how to check your broker. Go back to your broker and then go back to history, check the history. If it is executed, so it means your order had been placed. It had gone through.
So it's failed.
Oh, failed.
Mine failed.
Mine is executed.
Okay, can you share me your screen, Doc? I'd like to see what happened.
Share. Share. How do I share? Oh, where are you? Like, how do I share my screen? Zoom. Okay. Turn is about to time out, it says.
Okay, hold on.
Where am I? Zoom? No. Stock picture, Excel. Zoom. I'm not sure how to share.
You have it? Did you find it?
No.
Okay, I will pause my share and then maybe you could.
It says I'm viewing your screen.
You're still viewing my screen?
View options, request remote control, no. Enter full screen, recording. Just trying to see how to share. Should be at the top.
Yeah.
Here. No, view options. We did this before.
Yeah,
Or share there.
you got it? Okay.
Okay, there. Which one? There. Can you see it?
Not yet.
So share one or two.
Just
One.
yeah, just the one where you have that history.
Must be this one. Yeah, there. You see that?
Okay, now I see it.
Okay, I can't see it anymore.
Oh, but the thing, okay, where is your?
That's,
You have to share the Accelotrade.
yeah, let me get back to it. Download Firefox. No, Accelotrade is not showing here. Oh dear. Okay, let's try. Open this. No, here. No, mine is not showing now. Go back. Hedging.
Oh, you got out.
I must have clicked out. Yeah.
Okay, so no problem. So just join again. Click play.
Okay.
Yeah. The only thing is that once you are out, that somebody would become a new instance. So you won't be able to get hold of your previous position. But no problem. You haven't. There was nothing. So just click play.
Okay. Nothing happening.
Oh, could you refresh?
Uh,
Refresh the Click refresh.
okay. There.
Oh, you got in. Okay. Oh, I think you're still in. Oh, that's why it failed up because you remember we transferred 100,000 to your margin account. So you have to use the margin account in ordering, not your investment. So change that one. Change from the drop down. Instead of investment, use margin. Right here, right on the very top, before on top of the buy button. No, where the account is, account, and then the field has the investment entry. Right side. Oops, not the transfer. Go back to broker. Go back to broker. On the broker, instead of using investment account, use margin account.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now,
Submit.
okay, wait a second, because I think that the price, we have to check where is the price right now. Okay, it had gone to $3. You might have to enter.
Otherwise, you will lose some money.
Yes.
3. Maybe your entry would be around $3 now. Enter for $3, Doc. And then submit. Okay, there you go. So, oh man, Kukri, you're making 2,000 now, man.
Huh.
Please, can you convert that to real money for me?
Okay, that's why you need to study. Okay.
I think I failed here.
No worries, no worries. You can catch up that. Okay.
Okay. So now,
Okay. Let's see. The right now you have, what's our target? Because it's had, okay. All right. Go back to your history, Doc. Let's see if it had gone through. Placed. Okay, so it wasn't executed yet. So let's go click advance and see what's gonna happen here.
advance. Okay, where is it? Oh, advance time.
Advance time. If we all hit advance, it will advance. Okay. I should have shortened the time frame. Oh, unless.
So it's still waiting. I'm not in yet.
Right, well.
No?
Oh. It had jumped higher.
I think so. I can't see the chart, but
It had jumped higher. So
let's see. Oh yeah, it's up to 340.
yes.
So I don't have a chance.
There is. You wait for the pullback. That's where you're going to enter.
Okay. So then I advance the time.
Yeah, you just click advance, and in fact, don't worry, just keep hanging on the $3. Usually this is what happens, Doc. Go free.
Okay.
Players, traders, they always, especially big investors also, they always buy and sell on a whole number. So 350, you will be able to see that there will be some people who will be selling. And then, because this is a breakout of a $3, sometimes at 350, which falls back, usually will retest a $3 move. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's why what you can do is position yourself on that pullback. So if for example this $3 here, you just have to be patient. You're not going to chase, because sometimes when you chase, that's when you are going to get hammered.
Yeah.
Okay, so be patient. If in case it had gone already beyond your reach, let it move and wait for the pullback.
Okay.
So if we hit advance, man, Kofri, you got 5,000, man.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's see what happened. Oh, no change. Still 340, I see the high. Right. Do I advance here?
Yeah, just click advancing and click advance, and oh, there you go. You were able to buy it.
I did. Placed.
Now you're up 3,500.
I am.
Yes. If you go back to your broker history, it should be executed.
Oh yeah. Okay. Now how do I see the, okay, so I scroll down, I think on the bottom, right, to see,
Yeah, I'll share your mind.
oh, that doesn't show. Okay. Charts, broker, account. I go to account.
Yeah, go broker and then click history. It should tell you.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, perfect.
Now I see account.
Now, okay, we now have a target, right? So what you're going to do is issue the target because it was executed. Once you are executed, make sure that you put in your target. So you go back to your broker, go to orders, and then instead of buy, you go sell, and then you have the sell 10,000, yeah, in close bracket. So
Yep.
usually this is what I do, Doc. I have 10,000. I'm going to scale out. Okay, I'm going to scale out. Let's say I could make money already with my 5,000. Now, let us assume that maybe there are still power to go upside. So what I'm going to do is probably I'll take maybe 6,000 shares.
Okay.
I'll leave the 4,000. I'll sell this one to, what was our target? 560.
Yeah.
So I'll sell the 6,000. Submit an order.
So I change the number. So
Yeah, this is what we call scale out, scaling out. So that way you make money already going up, and then if in case that it's going to continue, you are still going to make money for the rest of the other shares that you left behind. But you already pulled the money off. So you make money already. You got the money on the table.
So I in the quantity I put 6,000, right?
Yeah, I take out 60%, I let the 40% ride. Or sometimes I take the 75%, I let the 25% ride.
Okay. So what price do I put?
560, right? That was our target.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is issue an order of 6,000 shares at
Yeah.
560, submit that order, and wait. And maybe I will create again another order for 4,000. If, for example, $6, sometimes it might not hit $6. So what I'm going to do, I'll put 590, 595. Okay. So maybe it will break out the $6. If it's going to break out the $6, it might not go right away to $7. So what I'm gonna do, I'll sell the 4,000, or maybe I'll sell the 4,000 at the 2,000 at $6.
So should I click on submit order? I've set the quantity to 6,000 and the price to $5.06.
Yeah, 560. You submit that one.
Okay.
You scale out. Basically, you're scaling out.
Okay, so far it hasn't advanced to the 560, right?
Okay, there you go. I think this is the retesting. That, see that the 350,
Yeah.
it created a harami. A harami is a candle, like it's like having a pregnant woman there. It's like
Oh,
having a baby.
I don't see the harami.
The harami is a combination of dark candle and a small hammer there. That's a harami.
I can't. Okay, I
At
can't.
350 on the chart, Doc.
This one?
Can you see my chart?
No. I'm just showing my chart.
Oh, okay. Oh, what?
You're sharing my chart, right?
Okay.
I'm showing 353, the price.
Okay. 350.
Uh,
So, see, you have
I
350.
haven't sold yet, but I'm showing a profit of 5,292.
Correct. But if you look at your chart, you see you have a black candle.
Chart on the left, chart. Okay.
You have a black candle, and then there is a hammer beside that black candle, or the dark blue candle.
Right.
So that's a bearish signal.
Okay.
So there's a big possibility that let's say you want to play short, you could play short with at 50 cents, but I don't like you to scalp.
No.
So, but because this one is a strong move going up, so anything that is a pullback is actually a buy position.
Yeah.
But that is a temporary.
Okay. Excuse me. Go back to here, and do I advance the time?
Yes, just click advancing on the time. So we'll see.
I have 60 days left.
Uh,
Time, the chart. So my chart is not changing.
you're on 350, right?
Yeah.
June 18.
June 18th, yes.
Okay. It's just that I haven't set the chart. The movement of the chart was a little bit slow. It's an
Okay.
10-minute interval, so that's why. But I should have changed it a little bit faster.
It's okay.
What do you see now? Oh man, you've got 6,000.
I do. No, I show 5,292.
Yeah, you're short. But Kufri is 6,000.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, let's try to. If you go on the peak mode,
On which mode?
peak.
Peak. Oh yeah, peak. Okay. So I show 4,592. Kufri has 6,092. You have 6,092, both of you. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So on the peak mode, that is actually where you can create the bot. But the thing is, it's already fully loaded. We cannot add more bots because there are bots already that occupy the rest of. I already set to 10 players.
Yeah.
But anyway, what I would like you to double check is when you click, for example, where was that? Overrun. Oh, Slapper. Slapper. That's the artificial intelligence is the one leading.
Yeah. Very smart. Huh.
Yeah.
Can't we have bots trading for us instead? Ourselves? Real?
In real time.
Yeah.
Um, Later on, yes. But
Okay.
for now, until we can connect the bot to the brokerage.
Yeah, they don't let us do that in Canada.
Yeah. You need. Oops. How come nothing is moving? Are your stuff moving?
Which one? Play? Go back to play?
Yeah. Yeah, on the play mode.
Play mode. Price went down a little bit, 346. Down some more, 334. Yeah, so I'm losing a bit more. Everybody's losing a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
59 days.
So
Now look at the chart.
I should have told you our scale out should be before reaching the 560. We should have our first scale out.
Yeah.
The first scale out would be at 350, or before that. Usually, what I'm going, let's say if the whole number is 350, what I'm going to do, I'll put an order of 345 or 340.
Yeah.
So that way, I'll be able to pull out my money. So let's say I'll pull out the first, maybe the first 30%. So you make money already from the move, and
Yeah.
then you let the 70% ride. You hit the 560. Do again the next 30%, and then you let again the other 30% or 40% ride, and then wherever it goes, you follow through, and then if it starts doing something a little bit different, then that's the time you pull the trigger out for the entire. But
Yeah.
at least you already made money off from your first 60%.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's go advanced time. Yeah, I forgot to set the time a little bit faster. So.
Oh,
Oh, you.
drop. Let's see. Oh yeah. Down to $3.
We're losing 3,000. I think you're gonna go negative, Doc.
I think so. I'm only up 1,000 now.
Okay, go back to your margin. This is a pullback. How much did we? Okay, I'll do a buy.
So I have cash, say about 69,992. So go to the broker. Broker, where's my broker? Account. Broker, yeah. And set a buy, you said. Yeah. Buy. How much?
Right now, it's hitting $3. So you see when you have a tail like that, I'll use the midsection of the tail.
Yeah.
Be around 311 or something, 315. Or neckline. Usually I use the neckline too.
So what price is that?
So 311 something,
Is the closing?
which is actually being supported by this candle here.
Yeah.
The one that break out the $3 will be your support.
So put a buy for $3. How many shares?
For 311 something, maybe you buy 3,000 shares.
$3.11 by 3,000 shares. 3,000 buy, that's the limit, and it's on the margin. Submit order. Advance time. Let's see what happened. Account. Okay, I'm kind of getting it.
What's the low of that one? 325.
I don't think I had a fill. Account. Hello.
Kitty then called to say that she called everybody to meet today at the Mondays.
Sure.
So we're going to have to go.
At what time?
6:30.
Okay.
We'll leave the house at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
With the light lunch.
Okay.
Okay, check if your 3,000 order or the 311 order is being executed. You go back to the broker's history.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Okay, perfect.
So when I go back to the account, I now have profit of 2,000. So I've gained some money again.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So now what? So now we go to the,
yeah, just click advance. If you go to peak mode and go bot,
peak mode and go to
bot,
one. This one?
you go strategy. You have the different strategy there.
Oh, no, I'm not sure where you mean.
Oh, peak mode.
Yeah.
Peak mode, and then on the left hand side there is bot.
Oh, bot. Okay.
And you can,
Yeah, bot.
there's a moving average strategy, hold, breakout, closing price, known average price. Okay.
So I've got moving average price. Okay. And then the other breakout, hold, closing price. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So you have, okay, breakout. So on the breakout, see if the close price closes above, you can change that one. So let's say we will create a bot that would buy maybe 10,000 shares. If the value, if the close of a price crosses above, let's say, if it crosses 350,
Okay, so how do we do that? From the diagram? No, on the buy.
Yeah, on the buy,
Buy. How many?
on the buy, you put 10,000 and
10,000
the
shares.
condition crosses above the data value. The first data value is the close of the closing price, and then of what price? 350.
Closing price. It says percentage of price.
No, number. Did you use the breakout? If you use the breakout, we want to see if there's a breakout on 350. That's when we want to put our order in.
So not the close, but the close, right?
Yeah.
The close, and I'm getting percentage of price.
Oh, on the first data value, you don't put just put 100%, meaning 100% of the
100%. I have that.
just keep that one as is, doc, and then the close. So it means the close of the price. So and then just go to the number and put 350. So it means if a price of 350 is broken, if the close is broken, then we are going to buy. So if close price crosses above 350, then buy. What is?
Okay, and then what do we do? After that, it's got that, and what do I click on next?
Sell 10,000 shares. You set up your sell also. Condition.
It's on the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah. On the sell.
So how do we save this strategy though?
It saves by itself. Every
Oh.
time you change it, automatically it saves.
Okay.
Sell. Condition. Crosses
Sell. Yeah.
below. Let's say, what was our target? 560. So let's say I'm going to target $6.
Condition data value, right?
Yeah.
100%.
100% close, no change there. Just keep that one as is, and then on the number we put a value of 6. And then you go back to setting.
Back to setting, right?
Band doesn't change into number, it still remain data value.
I'm sorry?
Band doesn't change into number, it still remain data value. I have 2 data value.
You have to change the template. The template should be breakout. Maybe you're using the moving average. Go for it.
Yes.
Change it here. So instead of moving average, we'll use the breakout.
Okay. Okay,
Breakout strategy.
Okay, breakout. Okay.
So the buy, we buy 10,000 shares. The condition is when it breaks out, the close breaks out at 350.
Buy 10,000. Condition is?
Condition crosses above.
Okay, crosses above. Okay.
So the data value is the close of this 350. So anything that close above 350, we buy. Or your bot will buy.
Okay, my data value, nothing changes. They say close.
Yeah, only the number you're changing into 350.
Instead of 100%.
Yeah. Oh, no. On the data value, keep everything as is.
Okay.
Close, 100, that's fine. Don't change them.
Okay.
Only the number. We change the number in 350.
Okay, the value is 350. Okay. Number value 350. Okay.
Okay, and then you set also the sell. Sell.
Okay.
Condition crosses below.
Condition crosses below. Okay.
So let's say if it hits 6 and then it goes back down to 6. Okay, sell.
Okay.
So that's a data value. Condition is when it crosses below the $6.
Okay. the number.
Uh,
I should type 6.
yeah, value of 6.
Value 6. Okay. Okay.
And then you sell the 10,000 shares. So it means, okay, if it breaks out at 350, buy. And then if it hits $6 and then goes back down, so it means it went down to 6, okay, sell.
Okay.
Then you go setting, and then you add your bot.
Where is setting?
Oh, that's the
Okay,
thing. Sorry, the game is full. No problem. Next time, once I'm going to set up another game, we'll, oh, by the way, this, this software is in beta test mode, and we are asked also if we can join in with the programmers of this one and the staff. Later on, they'll set up a game. So we'll prepare how to play this.
Okay.
Okay, so we go back to play mode. So at least you know how to add your bot. Adding the bot is going into the peak mode. Right. So how many days more? 54 days left. Oh, look. So like I told you, it retested the $3, right?
Yeah.
Like I said, people, once it hits usually on, it is normal. Once it hits those whole value numbers, people would actually sell, and then it would retest the previous support, and that's what's happening right now. The previous support was in $3, you know, and the $3 got hit again, but look, it's being sustained. So we'll see how much we are going to make money for with this.
Okay.
But the AI is really above and beyond everyone now.
Yeah.
So the AI has entered earlier too. So
Okay.
did you click advanced time?
No,
Okay.
I did not.
Click that.
I did. Oh,
did.
look at that.
You see, if there's a red, it means that you need to click advanced time.
Oh,
So I clicked mine already.
okay.
Okay, you need to click yours.
53 days left.
Whoa.
Good. There you go. Now I click mine.
52 days left.
If Kufri, you got red on the move pending. Good. There you go. We're advancing. Look, it's faster now because everyone is clicking.
Ah,
Kufri, you got red.
So every time I see red, I click it.
Yes. Because if you don't, we have to wait for 3 minutes.
wow. Making money.
Oh man, Kufri, 7,000.
Convert it as for real money.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what I'm going to ask you now. Start looking on the new 7 to 8 day high and monitor the volume, monitor the formation. It is very potent when you see the volume has gone high, like in a step-by-step formation, and a breakout from a 3 top or a triple top. Go for your red.
Wow. But at some point you have to sell.
Yeah, remember okay, go back to your broker, go back to history. What is your pending orders? It should be, it have a status of placed. So I have a pending order at 560 and a pending order of $6.
Mine's executed.
The 560 is executed?
560, yeah, it's just waiting.
Yeah, it's placed. So it means once it hits that 560, you'll be able to take some of your money.
Okay.
12,000. Man,
How did I, wait a minute, go back to games, right?
go play red.
Wow.
Okay. Once you see red, just click advance time.
So now we're losing. Dropped.
Okay, well,
So we were up quite a bit, now it's lost.
now remember, it's just a pullback because it's retesting the previous high. The previous high is 375. Yeah, 375. So it's retesting the 375 because it had just broken see this one, Doc? This dark blue candle. So it created that one. So, and that's normal. Basically, the next candle is just sitting on top of this line on 373, 375 somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, advance. Could you hit advance, Kupri?
Yes, I've done that.
Okay,
Yeah, there you go. It's gone up.
good.
Oh,
There you go.
that's not so good. Went down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't like this.
It's going to retest the 350. Just like it retested the $3. It's going to retest the 350.
Hmm. So when it says 38 days left, is that 38 days to use the game or is just,
Yeah, 38. I set up a game of 75 days.
okay. Oh.
You see 75 days, 75 minutes because it's counting days.
Sorry?
It's 75 days or 75 minutes because it's counting as days.
Yeah, 75 times 3 minutes. So 225 minutes over 60. But that's why we're clicking to make it faster. That's why you need patience because, and like I said, you don't need to actually sit down all the time in front of your computer.
Yeah. Oh, I like this. Sudden jump. So on that pullback, you could have bought some more, right?
If you have enough money, yeah.
Yes. Hmm. Whoa.
Okay. Wow, the AI is 27,000.
Amazing. Oh,
20,000 up.
look at that. This is the time you should take the money and run.
Okay. 450. Actually, if you want to pull out some, you can pull out some. That's a huge run now at 450.
Yeah, I get nervous when I see that.
So
I thought you know, we bought the same stock. Why is your own going higher than mine?
remember, you said you want to add more when it's a pullback.
Yes.
I added a 355.
See,
Okay.
see, I said, let's take some money off and look what happened.
Yes, just like I said, every how do you call this? Every whole number, there will be seller. And then you look at also, but if you look at I would like you to notice the volume. See the volume here at this price. What price is this? At $4. The volume at $4.
Yeah.
That's a huge volume actually. So it means there is still some power to move this one.
So the volume's coming down.
No,
The price is not changing that much.
it's going to retest that 4.
Okay.
It's going to retest that 4. That 450 is really going to be tested. So what?
So would you take some off at
Yeah, you can take some off if you want, and then because
right back? Okay, so how do I? So I go to
go to margin, go to sell,
broker. Go to
maybe
sell.
sell maybe 3,000 shares,
Yeah, and the price I would put is to see the chart.
450.
450. Okay.
Yeah, sell at 450.
Okay. Submit order.
Submit order.
Okay. Advance time. Go back to account. I'm at account. Okay, so I need to go back to game. See what happened. Oh, that was not a smart move. I should have bought some more.
Well, you 20,000 is a lot of money already.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes you have to look at the perspective that even if you are winning, it should not it should not touch your emotion.
Right.
You follow your strategy, and what we're doing, we're following our target, we're following our entry. Now, the thing that I did not teach you is if we failed on our first move, where was actually our exit if in case it failed us?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you. Hold on. Back here. We started at around $3, right? We started around $3.
Yeah.
Okay.
$3.11, I think I was.
Yeah, something. Yeah. So this breakout here. Okay, let me give you. Okay, this one here. This the first touch of the $3. I will use the bottom of this candle as my exit if in case it goes against me. So that would be around 250 to 65 something. Okay, the bottom of this candle that is supporting the $3, this one here.
Oh, wait a
You
minute.
use the bottom of that candle. If you can stomach the losing position, it's around 216. But I don't want to go that far. As much as possible, do it quick. If you're losing, if for example the move is wrong, then go ahead, take it away 268 and find a new one.
Yeah.
Because if you pray that it's going to reverse position, it might not reverse.
Hmm.
Go pray, advance. Okay, what was our order? 556. Our target 560.
Yeah.
Holy cow, slapper is just making 46,000. Could you click it? Advance? Pray.
Yes, I did. I did.
You still red. I will just keep clicking so that it goes faster. Once you see red, just click. Just click to make it green.
Bot is winning. Slapper.
Yeah.
Just lost 7,000. The bot.
Huh?
The bot just lost 7,000.
It's still ahead.
Yeah, from it's 43,000.
Yeah.
Okay. See what's happening now? There's a double tap on the $5.
Oh yeah. So then it could be going down.
Not necessarily. Look at the volume.
Okay.
Look at the volume. The volume is going up.
Okay.
So this is trying to hammer the $5. Now we're just going to wait a breakout of the $5.
Hmm. Excuse me.
Oh, you can order some dinner, Kofi.
Some dinner. If that's real money, that's real money.
Let's see.
Whoa.
Did you hit advanced time?
Whoa. Getting there.
Are we able to do this on a real trade?
Hmm?
Are we able to do this on a real trade?
Soon, as once you're ready. That's why you need to simulate first. First, I would like you to decipher the pattern that we need to look for, and then be able to,
Right back.
yeah, be able to create that VCP formation. Yeah, do a line and everything. Then create what is your target. Um, what's the previous high? What's the close of the breakout? And then you trace also if the volume is really high.
Okay.
So once you master those things, the rest will follow.
Okay.
Advanced time, almost 11 days. 11 days.
Sorry, I'm back. Hmm.
10 days. Advanced. We're almost done.
Hmm.
Oh, I think, oh, what happened here? How come?
I don't think it's going to hit the target. You think?
Yeah, maybe
Because when I look at the
collect your money. The chart,
chart is showing like a doji.
yeah. So if you go back to your broker, you go to history. If you have pending order, you highlight that one and you click cancel.
Hmm.
And then click yes.
Cancel. Okay, because it's not. I don't think it's going to sell for the target, which is $5.60.
Okay.
Cancel.
No, maybe I don't know, the data probably. But okay.
Should I cancel then?
Cancel all the placed one.
Cancelled. Okay, mine is cancelled.
Then
And then place another order.
uh,
Right. So I don't know how much I have. How do I know how much I have in the account?
okay, if you go to your broker
Broker. Okay.
and then if you go sell, it will tell you how many shares on the sell uh, inside that bracket. That's
100,000. 100,000.
no, the shares that you need to dispose.
Yeah.
So,
Transaction sell in brackets 10,000.
um, 10,000, then you, yeah, sell that entire quantity.
And at what price?
Go for the market.
Market. Okay.
472.
Oh yeah. And submit order. Order has been placed. Go back to game. And advance time. Waiting for other users to catch up.
It may be our data. Yeah. I will just keep advancing time so that way we'll go up to, because there are only nine days left. Maybe the data wasn't enough for the 75 days. So
Okay. Yeah, it seems to just be green now. Nothing.
yeah.
Okay.
So while we wait until that one ends, if you don't mind, Doc, go for it. Because well, we're using the platform to, we would like to help out also on the development of this one. So if you could fill out the short survey.
Yeah. Survey. Where is the survey? Help? No. Okay.
It should pop up. It takes a while to pull it out.
Not showing yet. Okay.
Did you click the survey?
No, I don't know. I can't see it. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it would
On the beta test or no?
okay. Okay, wait, hold on. You know, on the left hand side there is beta test.
Yeah.
If you click that one,
Okay.
and then right at the very bottom there is a link,
The survey. I see it. Yeah.
a very short survey. Just click on that one, and
Email address.
it should basically open up this form for you.
Name. Just the username, right? What name do we put?
Yeah, just whatever you you want to place there, your email address, Doc.
Somebody. Okay. Next. How intuitive it is to join the game. Once you get to know, I would say it's quite intuitive. But maybe 4 to start with. How intuitive to invite players. Yes. 4. Helpful tips, yes. You just have to get used to it.
Yeah, the first round, we'll set up another game, but this one, and then we'll just have another survey for that one.
Yeah. Comments. Answer. Once.
Do you have fun?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you're making fun because you're having fun because you're making money.
Yes.
And if you have time on your own, if possible, you go around, and then if you notice something, please write them down, and then we'll send these comments. That way we can help out in, creating a better product.
Yeah. So it says now the broker, how you to buy. Yes. Yeah. Comments.
Wishing to connect bots to the broker rates.
Chat. Oh, we didn't use the chat, did we? Well, good.
Oh, yeah, we forgot to use that one. You can send a chat message on because we're on the Zoom. That's why.
Yeah.
Usually, when you are not on Zoom, you can just send out a chat message.
Okay. Done. Now what? Okay. For that, I'm done. Yeah. Chat. Where is the chat? Chat. Chat. No. I don't see the chat.
Hold on. Did you close the?
No, I'm still on it.
Oh, game chat. Okay.
Yeah. There's no chat.
Did you see it?
Names.
I just sent
Oh, game chat. Yes, I see it.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Excellent. Now this is good because it's your emotion is kind of cut back because you know it's not real.
Yeah, but at least you're able to test the strategy, and then be able to know how you react if in case there are movements. So I'd like you to be familiar of like patterns, and then remember the one that I told you, when it hits a certain whole number, there's always what we call a pullback on that one. But as we see the volume, there was really a huge volume. It means there is a good run for this one, and that's the one, that's the calculation that I did, that the multiplication of 3, right?
Yeah.
On the difference between the high and low on the VCP formation, and then add it on top of the close on the breakout candle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Holy cow, 42,000 for this AI. Okay.
42,000. Oh yeah.
Are you still there, Kufre?
I am.
Okay, good. Amen. Where you going tonight?
I'm going nowhere, just rest at home. If this were to real money, yes, I'll book a flight.
Now, keep, keep doing, keep studying on those, how do you call this, filters that I gave you. Oh, by the way, I haven't shown you. Okay, hold on. Okay, calculator.
So Jerome, how long did it take you to get all this information together and learn? It's quite a while. There's a lot of things to learn.
Yeah, there are a lot of things. Just that, well, I'm a voracious reader too.
Yeah. Well, I am too, but when I come home from work, I'm just like, my brain is tired, you know.
Yeah. Now, what you are going to do is set aside really to be disciplined in maybe at least 30 minutes or so every day,
Yeah.
just to be able to understand about the market and then study what's going on and keep learning.
Yeah.
And time is very important also, and the discipline, because without those two, no, you won't be able to learn. And the most important thing here is that you know exactly what you're going to do. Whenever you are faced with that particular pattern, okay, how would you react?
Yeah.
That's why you need to master looking at those patterns, looking at those. You analyze the price and volume. Okay, if there is a discrepancy between the volume and the size of the candle and stuff like that, or there is really a real support because the volume has really surged and the candle itself also had surged. So now that would prove that that is a real run. And then if that is a real run, okay, go ahead, put your money in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Excellent. Thank you. So VPC stands for volume price.
VCP means volume contraction or
Okay, VCP.
volume contraction VCP. Yeah.
Okay.
Volume contraction pattern.
Pattern. Yeah.
Sorry, not volume. Volatility contraction pattern. Volatility contraction pattern, meaning the movements up and down of the price.
Volatility contraction pattern. That will be Mark Minervini, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll read that book.
And yeah, and I have shown you. Okay. Where is that one? Okay. Kupri,
Yes.
did you sign up with tradingview.com?
I'm not sure you mentioned that.
It was on the video that I sent you.
Oh, for that last week?
Yes.
Oh, I did not sign
We
up.
were actually using the trading view. So if possible, try to sign up. It's free anyway. So you sign up with trading view. That way, we would like, because TradingView has more coverage whenever, although there are still a lot of stuff that is, we use the stock fetcher basically just for filtering automatically for our stuff. But then the TradingView is for us to be able to create more, how do you call this, analysis?
Do you mind looking to it now?
Sure, sure.
So I should stop sharing my screen, right?
I think you're no longer sharing your screen, Doc.
It's still sharing. I still
Yes.
Oh, you're still, okay, yeah,
Stop share.
yeah.
Okay. And you started sharing, it says, yeah. Okay, there we can see your screen now.
So I got my,
Stock fetcher.
this is the trading view. Just join and, create your own. For example, this is one that I ask you to monitor the audio code. Now the good thing with the volatility contraction pattern, when a stock breaks out from that long, if it's especially a long volatility contraction, when a stock breaks out of that one with a huge volume, there is really a long move that will follow. Okay. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
So I created this triangle, which basically give you your BCP footprint. How do I get this 41 days, 2211 dash 40? So this is how I did it. You see this one here, the measurement stuff, ruler. So from the top to the last, it's now 43 actually, 43 bars. It means I'm going to update this one. This is now 43 days. It started with minus 22%. So if from the top here, I'm going to go down. Down. Oh, it's only 18. Oh, no, okay. I think I'm using this one here. So I created a triangle up to here. So that's why there's a 22%. So yeah, 21.7, that's 22. And then the last contraction is this 9. Oh, you have to be careful. 9 and it goes to 5. It means the next one would be a breakout. If it goes 9%, can you see my cursor?
Yeah.
Minus 9.63%. So now I can change this. So previously it was 11%. So 22 over 9. And how many times it contracted? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just count the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th time. So if it goes around 7.5, you start monitoring for a breakout. Where did I get this triangle? Right here. Rectangle, triangle, so you use all those things to create your BCP formation. This is what Mark Minervini is using on that book that he was referring to, Trade Like a Market Wizard. So what he does, he tries to look at a formation of a stock, and then he tries to enter upon the breakout coming from a volatility contraction. And then he always try to check also, let's say, remember that I told you about finbiz.com?
Yeah.
Finbiz.com.
Is that your car?
Hmm?
Is that your car?
No. Screener, go type audio code. Did I tell you about this? Yeah, I think I mentioned with this to you also, Kofri, right?
Something like that.
Yeah, this is one of the tools you need to have. Go snapshot. Look at the EPS quarter per quarter.
Yeah.
%642%. So I'm waiting, and then everything is going up. And this one also they have a good, okay, yeah, audio codes, Jabra partners, spotlight audio codes, fundamentals, code select audio codes for cloud-based Microsoft Unified Communication. So there, February 25, there was actually a good PR with the cloud-based Microsoft Unified Communication offering. Cool. So this is one of the big companies that use audio codes. The PR, that's when was that? February 25. February, so around here, February 25. No, around to $13. So right now, the $13 is being supported. It's trying to hit. It's trying to break out the $14. So, and it's creating that VCP formation, and this is the footprint that I marked out. It's now 43 days. Sometimes the longer the VCP, the stronger would be the breakout. So we use Trading View. Were you able to get into Trading View, Kopri?
Yes, I signed up for it. I'm there.
Okay, very good. So you use that one for drawings, because you can easily draw things on Trading View, and then the Finviz, I use that one as a tool to double check if we have a good scenario for a big support on sales and EPS quarter per quarter, if in case. And then the target of Finviz is actually $16. Yeah. EPS this year is 256%. We're looking for more upside on this one. And just go back again to your stock fetcher, and maybe next time we go on one of the new 78 days high. One of you can explain what's going on, and maybe can tell me if we are ready to position on that one, or what position do we need to take, what is the target price, what's the exit position that we need to take out if in case it goes against us. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we had covered a lot today,
Yes.
and we made money.
Yes.
Okay. Next time we'll see also if we lose money. So but what I'm trying to teach you here is how to be able to create your target, and then how to be able to create also your exit if in case it goes against you, and then scaling out. And then if for example you miss the first run, don't chase the first run, wait for the pullback. That is where you're going to position.
Okay.
Because at least if you by waiting the pullback, and then you see that it's trying to go back up, then that is the right move that you're in. But if it's still going to continue to go down, at least you are still in the lowest position to get out, right? But if you chase high and then it goes against you, and then continue to go down, then you will have a big amount to swallow for as a losing position.
Yeah.
But the pullback here, okay, they said that buy low, sell high. We are actually buying high. We're buying high because we're waiting for that breakout. That breakout is high. The pullback is still high. It's just that we're waiting where the pullback is still on the high range. If you actually look at this one, see the low here is still higher than the low here, right?
Yeah.
The low here is still is still higher than the low here. So it means you have higher lows. So you are actually putting your money in the higher lows. And for a better positioning. Okay, and I think that would wrap up everything. Congratulations, you made 22 grand. Good for you. Doc, you made 21 grand.
I'll be very happy if that was real.
Everyone's happy.
I will retire. I will retire very soon then.
It's a start. But please, I'd like you to continue just playing around on the Accelotrade.
Yeah.
And if you can even create games on this one on your own if you want to practice more.
Yeah.
Okay, and later on maybe we'll set up a time wherein we could play against the staff.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
Have a nice weekend, everyone, and I think
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jerome. Thank you.
you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, and hopefully everything sticks in your mind. And
Gonna take some time. Yes.
once it sticks in your mind, it will become part of you.
Yeah.
So it will just be automatic, and then you'll understand better also once you see the screen. That's why I'd like you to always practice looking on those charts and then decipher the pattern that we're looking for. As much as possible, go to the trading view, create as much as possible the triangle formation. If you could create that one, and then try to identify what is the low, what is the high, what's the breakout, and look at the volume. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a good one, guys. Have a nice
Yes, so thank you. Have a nice weekend too.
You'll send us a link to review.
Yes, I got the recording, and I'll send you the link for the review.
Okay, I did have a question. If you want to play it at a faster speed, is there a way to do that on Zoom?
There is what?
To play the recording faster, so I can get to it faster.
Yeah, actually, once you have the recording, that you can actually just go on the slider once you play it.
Okay.
Yeah, you just have to press forward.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay. Have a good one.
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much. May this lesson give you more confidence in creating your plan in trading and executing or trading your plan without fear. Keep following the system. Practice it 10,000 times, and like Bruce Lee, with his move, your trading would outperform all mediocrity. Keep shooting at it 9,000 times with Accelotrade, and like Michael Jordan in basketball, your trading would improve with great success. Keep experimenting it 1,000 times, and like Edison, your trading would lead to brighter future. This is Jerome Noel. Not your Budweiser, but your wiser wife. Visit Accelotrade.com today. This is where you can teach, practice and play trading without burning any cash until you gain that confidence. Enjoy and have fun.